Welcome to Aquaplaticodon, where more useless knowledge gets unlocked. AI is replacing workers in factories, driving cars, mining resources, even flipping burgers. The fear? Mass unemployment. The reality? People are looking at the wrong problem. The real issue isn't AI taking jobs, it's whether companies pay their fair share of taxes. AI and human workers both cost money to operate. The difference? A robot doesn't complain, take breaks, or go on strike. So companies love automation. But instead of worrying about AI replacing people, shouldn't we be asking, are these companies paying enough taxes to keep society running? Then there's the other big question. What happens to workers who lose their jobs? AI excels at repetitive labor, but humans are capable of much more. The irony? While people panic about AI taking jobs, many essential professions are severely understaffed. Healthcare is collapsing. Not enough nurses, not enough caregivers for the elderly. Firefighters risk their lives in disasters that AI-powered robots could handle. Remember that nuclear plant crisis in Japan? When the plant leaked radiation, there weren't enough trained specialists to deal with it. But instead of sending in AI-powered rescue robots, we had humans risking their lives. So why is AI flipping burgers and delivering pizza instead of saving lives? Maybe because it's more profitable that way. Of course, some people might still want to compete with AI for jobs like bricklaying, chopping trees, or washing dishes. And if they do, then truly, they are the backbone of society, and they deserve our highest respect. The solution isn't banning AI or making AI pay taxes. It's ensuring companies are taxed fairly, and that workers transition to jobs AI can't take over. That's the conversation we should be having. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Aquaplaticodon. See you in the next one.